In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your text in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll have text that's filled with an image, creating a bold, eye-catching effect that's perfect for titles, posters, and social media graphics. Start by creating your text. Select the Artistic Text tool if you're making a headline or a short word, or use the Frame Text tool if you prefer a text box. Click on your canvas and type what you want. Then switch to the Move tool to adjust the font, size, and placement. A heavier, bold typeface often works best for this effect because the letters give more room for the image to show through, but use what fits your design. Position your text where you want the final result to live. Centering it or giving it a bit of breathing room from the edges will make the image stand out later. Next, bring in the image you'd like to use. Go to File, then Place, or use the Place tool to select the image. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the image file directly into your document. Once the image appears, use the Move tool to resize and position it so it covers or overlaps your text. Make sure the part of the photo you care about sits roughly over the letters. If you're resizing, keep the image proportional, so it doesn't look stretched. Aim for a size that keeps important details crisp. Now create the clipping mask. Open the Layers panel and find your image and text layers. Click and drag the image layer underneath the text layer, and while dragging, move it slightly to the right so it becomes indented beneath the text. That indentation tells you the image is now a child of the text layer and is clipped to it. When it's clipped correctly, the image will only appear inside the shapes of the letters, and the rest of the image will be hidden automatically. Finally, fine-tune the image inside the text. With the image layer selected, use the Move tool to reposition or resize it until the best part of the photo shows through your letters. You can slide it around to line up key details, scale it to emphasize texture, or rotate it slightly if that suits your design. Because the image is clipped, everything outside the letter shapes stays hidden, so you can experiment freely without affecting the overall layout. That's it. Text created, image placed, clipped, and refined. You now have a clean, non-destructive image in text effect ready for your design.